Welcome everyone. Hello everyone. So today's recipe is prawn in charred pepper sauce. It's a very simple and unique prawn recipe. So let's see how to prepare it. I'm using half kilo of king size prawn and I have cleaned it properly and deveined it. In this gravy, I'm going to use this green bell pepper. I have washed it and then I'll just simply prick it with a fork and it's ready to be charred. I'll char it in a gas stove. First, I'm going to char a bell pepper. Here I'm using a green bell pepper. The pepper is getting nicely charred. This way, the gravy will have the charred taste. It is charred nicely, so I'll let it rest for 5 minutes. Now let's fry our prawn. So I have added a tablespoon of butter in a pan and then I'll be adding the cleaned prawn. Let the butter melt. Now I'm adding the prawn. And the flame should be high in this stage. Next is I'm going to add salt according to the taste and we will fry till it turns red in color. Meanwhile, our prawns are being fried. I'll just make the pepper ready for cooking. So I have taken out the stem along with the seed and then blend it. So here you can see I have blended the pepper in a fine paste. Next is we are going to crush 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Guys, please, if you like this recipe, do write in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now let's check the prawns. It's nicely cooked, reddish in color. So I'll take them out in a plate. So it's ready. Now in that same pan, I'll add another half spoon of butter. Here I'm not going to wash the pan because the pan has all the flavors of the prawn which I have fried. Next, I have added the crushed garlic and then I'll add the pepper which I have blended into a smooth paste. Just a quick mix. This pan has all the flavors of the prawn because I have already fried the prawn in this pan. Next, I'm adding a tablespoon of paprika powder. A tablespoon spoon you can add according to your own taste. Here you can see the masala is cooked nicely. There is no water in the pan. So I'll be adding at least 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. And then a quick mix. Next is I'm going to add at least half a cup of water to give it a gravy texture and then I'll simply add the fried prawns and a quick mix again. So it's boiling properly. It's ready to be served. I have added some coriander leaves and our cooking is done. It is a very yummy prawn recipe. Please do try this at home and if you like it, do write in the comments. Now I'll simply take it out in a separate bowl. Ready to be served. I'll garnish it with some coriander leaves. A yummy prawn in charred pepper sauce. Ready to eat. I'll serve these with some steamed rice. If you like the recipe, do like and subscribe the channel.